Bitcoin is testing a major support level, and if that sounds interesting, make sure to continue watching this video. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Bitcoin analysis. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. Now, in the previous video, we mentioned around the 19.4 level that if we were to break that level, we would be looking at a major move to the downside. I mentioned that these levels are going to be the most important ones. As you guys can see, we had multiple wicks at this level. This was an indicator whether or not we will be retesting the support. I did mention that the chances of us going straight down would be a little bit less likely because, again, you can see that we did have quite a bit of wicks before we actually saw the movement downwards. We saw this massive move to the downside, saw that pullback opportunity, and a retest to the downside once more. Now, again, we can possibly be looking at this range as a pullback and then a continuation downwards, but this candlestick right here specifically was the end of that BART formation. We had this candlestick go straight up. We saw a double top formation on that $20,000 level, and then a rejection pattern breaking below that 19.5 for that confirmation below that resistance level for a beautiful shorting opportunity right back down to the support level at 18.8. Now, the main question is obviously is whether or not we're going to hold this level. Well, looking at it from this perspective, we can see that we saw a beautiful doji candle over here right above that support level and a bearish engulfing candle breaking below once more. That is an extremely bearish pattern, and ideally what we're looking for is a break below and a confirmation for that consolidation downwards. We don't want something like this, right, where we see a break below, shorters enter quickly and then quickly gets bought back right up and they get liquidated on this candlestick right here. Ideally, what we're looking for is a break below, a consolidation below for a few candlesticks, and then the confirmation for the move downwards. Now, on the RSI, you can see that we are pretty oversold, so this area is going to be a very interesting level for Bitcoin, as we have been holding this level for quite a while at the 18.8 level for a few months now. You can see that previously we saw multiple wicks to the downside, the worst obviously being around that 17.6 level, which I've been mentioning is going to be a very important level for Bitcoin. We have yet to test that 17.9 level, even get down to that major support level, but I could definitely see another wick to the downside for that double bottom confirmation and then the larger set move upwards. Now, on the hourly time frame, you can see that we are consolidating quite well. We have seen multiple rejection candles on this exponential moving average, and as long as we are below these exponentials, the 9 and the 20, this is an extremely bearish formation on the shorter time frames. Ideally, if we can't break above these exponentials and continue pushing lower and lower, you guys already know from my previous videos that usually tends to be a much larger move to the downward side, and we can expect a huge candlestick downwards and then a possible pullback opportunity to retest this as resistance and then the confirmation below. That's the ideal play that we're looking for on Bitcoin currently, but again, the 4-hour candlestick would give us a much better indicator whether or not we're going to see that bounce and that confirmation upwards, or we'll see another move to the downside. That's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.